Kawasaki has significantly slashed the price of the 2026 KLX 230 in India by shifting its production from a CKD import model to local manufacturing. This move has greatly reduced costs, making the dual sport motorcycle far more accessible to Indian buyers. The bike was earlier priced at 3.30 lakh rupees, but with this major update, it now comes in at 1.99 lakh rupees, ex-showroom, a massive drop of up to 1.30 lakh rupees. Along with the shift in production, Kawasaki has introduced some cosmetic updates to the KLX 230. The bike now features new decals, giving it a refreshed look. However, the color options remain the same as before, with customers able to choose between lime green and battle gray. These subtle styling changes help maintain its rugged dual sport identity while offering a slightly updated visual appeal. In terms of hardware, the KLX 230 retains most of its mechanical characteristics, though Kawasaki has made a few notable adjustments. The suspension setup has been made stiffer, and the travel has been reduced by 20 mm at the front, bringing it down to 220 mm, and by 27 mm at the rear, now measuring 223 mm. The ground clearance has also been reduced by 10 mm, but still stands at a very capable 255 mm, which is more than sufficient for off-road riding. Despite these changes, the bike continues to have a tall seat height of 880 mm. The braking system sees an upgrade with larger disc brakes now fitted with 290 mm at the front and 230 mm at the rear, offering improved stopping power. However, Kawasaki has scaled back some features. The bike no longer includes Bluetooth connectivity, and rear ABS has been removed, though front ABS is now switchable, giving riders more control, especially in off-road conditions. Powering the KLX 230 is the same 233cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, which is known for its strong low-end and mid-range torque. The engine produces 19 PS at 7,800 RPM and 19 Nm of torque at 6,200 RPM, and is paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The bike weighs 139 kilograms wet, keeping it lightweight and agile, which is essential for dual sport riding. Overall, with local production helping to slash the price, the new KLX 230 becomes a far more attractive proposition in the Indian dual sport market. While it loses a few features, it retains its core strengths such as rugged design, capable suspension, off-road friendly performance, and now at a much more competitive price point.